All right, in this video, I want to show you how to fully constrain a line using dimensioning. You got to do it a very particular way, otherwise Freecad throws a fit. So first we're going to define this, which I think is the vertical length. Then we define that, which is the horizontal length. So we've just we've just locked in the length of the line. So now it only has 2 degrees of freedom, right? So we can move it left, we can move it right. But we can't adjust the the length of the line. The length of the line is now locked in. We can't rotate it. We can't change the length between these 2 points. It's locked in. So now here's where it gets interesting. If I click this and I try to lock it in, if I click the line and try and lock it in on the vertical origin, it gives me this angle, right? And if I do that, it throws a fit, right? It just throws a fit. So what I have to do instead, I have to hit the points, and I can lock in a point. Come on, where are you? There we go. Boom, and then boom, and that locks in the point. And I do the same here, right? So boom, boom, lock in the point, and now we're fully constrained. Now everything is good, right? So the reason I want to show you that is Freecad has these weird peccadillos. That's something that you should expect for using a free and open source software program. Freecad, if you don't do things a particular way and under a very particular way, right, the correct way, Freecad's going to throw a fit. So just be aware of that, right? So even doing something very simple like locking in a line, you need to do it the precise, unprecise way. So that's the way you do it. You lock in one, you lock in one side, you lock in the other, then you lock it in by the points. Otherwise, it'll throw a fit. So there you go. That is how you fully constrain a line using dimensioning in Freecad.